Immunotherapy is really the most promising direction for taming cancer once and for all. The whole idea is using the immune system to fight cancer.
The big challenge that we have in the field right now is to understand which patients will respond.
Spatial proteomics can simultaneously measure multiple protein and create multiplex immunofluorescent images. It can tell you whether the patient might respond to immunotherapy or not. But unfortunately, to generate this kind of images takes days and costs thousands of dollars. In collaboration with Providence and University of Washington, we developed this multimodal AI called GigaTime to generate spatial proteomics at scale.
So we have trained the model using large-scale data, analyzing millions of cells. The input image has limited data. We don't know where the protein is active. GigaTime can convert this image to a colorful multiplex immunofluorescence image. The color is the protein activation. They are the key factor drives diseases, especially in cancer. This can help us to predict patient drug response.
We are now taking the first meaningful step to be able to generate this kind of data for everyone in the globe. The GigaTime model is now available to everyone through Microsoft Foundry. Our hope is to empower every secondary hospital in every tertiary city to be able to now conduct their own research.
We look forward to a future where we can actually bring this to the clinic, impact patients' lives, and bring the next generation of immunotherapies to places where this would be otherwise impossible.